This is The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. And reading it made me realize something painful. I wasn't broke because I wasn't smart enough. I was broke because of my behavior. There's a chapter in there called The Man in the Car Paradox. And basically, what it's saying is when you see a nice brand new Ferrari or any kind of car or truck that you can think of that just makes you say, oh, that's beautiful. You don't think about the person driving it being cool or how did they get it. You think about how would I look in that vehicle? How would people look at me? Now, the book will help you get your mind right, as it has for me, on how to look at money and how to hold on to money. That being said, if you're looking to take it to the next level and create a business, we all know going to a bank isn't going to do you much good because they want 2 years of documents to be able to even get a loan. That being said, I have partnered with a company called Trufinco that has helped me get funding for my own business, and I know as professionals they will help you get settled and get funding for your own business. I am going to put a link for Trufinco below if you would like to schedule an appointment with one of their professionals, or if you want to see if you're eligible for their services or what they have to offer for free. You can fill out that application. I will list both of those in the description below. See, becoming wealthy takes risk. It takes putting yourself out there and knowing no matter what, you're not going to quit because you've already set yourself up to say, I'm going to figure this out one way or another. Now, to stay wealthy, that is complete opposite. You've got to know that once you become wealthy, at any point you could lose that money. That's why you see people that may win the lottery or get a lump sum of cash out of the blue that they may not have really worked for. They don't keep it because it's all the wiring up here. And see, that's what happens to most of us. We self sabotage ourselves. But because of this book, I was able to fix the wiring in my own head to understand that when you get money, there's a way to grow that money and keep that money long term, not just waste it or squander it. Now, this book isn't on real estate or what's the best stock to buy or how to buy the next best stock. This is about fixing the wiring in your mind, like I said. Now, if you're like me, I like the actual copy. I like the book copy. I like being able to go through, read it anytime I want to, highlight anything I want to, take notes. That's my preferred method. I'll leave a link for the book in the description below. Uh, I have also got this on audiobooks. So anytime I'm heading to the grocery store, I'm heading to the gym, heck, even sometimes when I'm working out, I listen to some of my favorite books, including this one. Um, on there, I'll leave a link for this book in the description below, and hopefully you can take advantage of the free trial that they give you. I will leave a link below as well for a notebook that I think will help you take the best notes while you're reading this book. Because it's one thing to read a book, it's another thing to read a book, take notes, and be able to refresh from time to time over the notes that you took on the book. And be able to keep it fresh in your mind how to use those same methods in your own life to better yourself. So, again, I'll leave a link to all that below. And until next time, just remember I'm the paper mentor